Hawk Seale Milling specializes in milling deteriorated asphalt driveways, parking lots, and streets. In addition, we can regrade and treat the milled material in place with Hawk Seale 2.0 rejuvenator to rebond the millings into a durable surface. We're located in northeast Iowa and also service southeast Minnesota and southwest Wisconsin. Once the asphalt pavement has gone beyond normal crack filling and pothole patching, overall deterioration increases rapidly and replacement of the asphalt becomes necessary. This driveway is an example of the deterioration being past the normal maintenance, with seal coating and crack filling to extend the life. Replacement will soon be required. Large equipment may not be feasible for the removal or repair of small projects due to the lack of room to maneuver the big machines and trucks in small areas. Overhead clearance can also be a problem for these big machines. Our 100-horse Kubota skid loader and front-mounted FAE crusher can make quick work of milling small projects, yet it can handle the large ones as well. It easily maneuvers driveways in tight areas. Once the deteriorated asphalt is milled, the millings can be treated in place with Hawk Seale 2.0 solution to rebond the millings into a smooth, durable surface. The property owner also has the choice of having the millings removed and traditional hot mix laid or any other surface material they choose. If the property owner chooses to rebond the millings in place, the millings are then leveled and graded. Any drainage problems are corrected at this time as well. Once the millings have been graded, they are treated with Hawk Seale 2.0 rejuvenator to rebond the asphalt and the aggregate in a cold chemical process. We incorporate a total of 1 gallon of Hawk Seale 2.0 in the 3 separate passes to get the maximum saturation and incorporation. The treated millings are then allowed 60 to 90 minutes for the Hawk Seale solution to soften the asphalt in the millings. Then they're recompacted into a smooth surface. The treated millings will still feel carpet-like as you walk on them after compaction. Smooth-tired traffic can resume immediately, while overnight parking should be avoided until the millings have fully cured, typically in 5 to 10 days depending on the temperature. Hawk Seale blend prevents the tracking of fines into vehicles, homes, and buildings. It also prevents erosion of the millings, which are the 2 most common complaints when using millings. Many projects may not need the entire surface repaired. We have the ability to mill the bad areas and rebond the millings in place, then seal the entire project with Hawk Seale 2.0 to create a smooth, durable surface for about half the cost of replacing with hot mix. The bad areas of this lot were milled and rebonded with Hawk Seale 2.0 in place. Then the entire lot was treated to create a smooth, durable, water-resistant surface. This driveway was milled and reconstructed with Hawk Seale 2.0. Then it was coated with a traditional seal coat to give it a new asphalt look. The project was completed for about half the cost of removing and replacing the old asphalt with a new hot mix. Hawk Seale 2.0 is designed to soften the asphalt in the millings while coal palmers rebond the asphalt in the aggregate. It can be used to rejuvenate asphalt millings and also can be used as a preservative for asphalt surfaces. It fills the voids and fissures in the asphalt, preventing air and moisture from entering the surface, which stops the freeze-thaw cycles, which are the main cause of pavement failure. The first Hawk Seale millings roadways are 15 years old in 2020 and still in service with minimal maintenance, and the first treated asphalt streets are now 25 years old with no cracks or deterioration as well. Our current service area is northeast Iowa, southeast Minnesota, and southwest Wisconsin. You can email us at hawkseale@gmail.com for a quote, or call us at 563-379-3233, and we'll be happy to discuss your project. You can also visit us on Facebook or our website at hawkseale.com.